Take a moment to check out the 2021 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, rear reading lamps, trip computer. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.